Hi everyone, in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to create a website on the multi-sites platform for your cupcake shop. If you haven't been following our videos, if you aren't familiar with multi-sites, it's the easiest way to launch a website. You can literally launch your own website in less than a minute. It's designed to make websites fast and simple for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with side hustles. Was designed with you in mind. It's really affordable. It's literally only $9 a month. There is a free trial available, and you don't even need your credit card details to try the service out. So go ahead and click on the link below this video, give it a bash, see how it works for you and your business, and let us know. So let's get cracking. Once you've signed up on the multi-sites platform with your email and your password, we're going to go ahead and search for our markets. There we go. There are hundreds of markets available with pre-written content, pre-selected images. We are adding new markets every single week, but if you're battling to find yours, you want us to add it so you can try out the service, let us know, send us a message, we will get adding. Okay, so let's go ahead and select the Cupcake shop template. Okay, so now multi-sites is literally going to ask us a few little details, and then it's going to go ahead and generate a small website for us. So let's put our company details in, the name. So I'm going to call this Rochelle Sweets Creations. I like the ring to that. Go ahead and put my city in and my state or region. It doesn't matter where you are located in the world, you can have a multi-site website. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and select the type of business template. We got a restaurant, retail, service, or other. I'm going to go ahead and select service because this is a service. I'm providing cupcakes to people. Let's go ahead and select that. Okay, so now with my details, my few basic information I've just put in, it's literally generated a one-page website for me. Looks super professional, clean. It was so quick and easy. Okay, so now I'm going to walk you through the process of how the multi-sites platform works, show you how to amend certain things. As I said, we've pre-written content for you to make your life super easy. We've pre-selected images, and one thing to touch base on is all those images are royalty free. You're not going to get in trouble for using them. They are free to use. You can change them to suit your business better. So let's go ahead and update the sections. I'm going to start with the first section at the top, walk you through the process, give you a little bit of a look and feel how the platform works and how easy it is to use. So let's go ahead and click on update section. It's got my name there already. So I'm going to go ahead and put my email address in. That doesn't exist. Okay. And I'm going to say show email on site. It's now displayed on the top right hand corner of my website. The great thing about it, it is clickable. So when your customers click on it, it will automatically take it to their email app or whatever app they use for emailing, and they'll be able to get in touch with you. So let's go ahead and put a number in. That again is displayed on the top right hand corner, and your customers or potential customers can literally click on it and it will give you a call automatically. Click to call button, really great. Let's go ahead and put our address in. Okay, my city was already there, but I'm going to put it in again, and the postal code. Okay, so the really great thing about it is this will link directly to Google Maps. If you click on it, it takes you directly to Google Maps, and your customers can get directions directly to your location. Really awesome. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and update our social links. So while I'm speaking about social links, I think something super important to touch base on is that most small businesses, a lot of people I've spoken to, they all think that a Facebook page or a Twitter page or Instagram account is more than enough for their small business. They don't need a website. And I'm here to tell you today that's absolutely not true. One thing really important to remember is your Facebook page does not belong to you. So at any point, you could get hacked, your account could get deleted, or your potential customers or the work you put into it, it can get deleted. Unfortunately, it does happen in this day and age. So it is really important to have a website as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put in our social media accounts here. Feel free to give us a follow. Let us know how the service is working for you. Okay. There is an option for YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. But if there's any other social media accounts you'd like us to add the little icons for, let us know. Perhaps your business is on TikTok making videos. Drop us a comment below and let us know. So, again, all your icons will be displayed here in the top right corner. Your customers can literally click on them and be taken directly to your Instagram or your Twitter, your Facebook, and this in turn getting you more followers and more engagement on your social accounts. Really great. We're going to go ahead and save that and close this up. Okay, let's move on to the next section. I really want to give you a great idea of how this website works and how easy it is to literally launch your website, and it's super affordable, again, only $9 a month. Awesome. So now we can go ahead, all our location details are already there. We're going to go ahead and click update logo. If you don't quite have a logo yet, you can leave it as is. It will just display your name there. But if you do have a logo, you can go ahead and browse it from your computer and upload it, and it will be put over there. You can change the different sizings to make it suit your style and how you want it to look. If you're still in the startup stages of your business and you don't quite have a logo yet, but you really want one and you don't want to spend loads of money on a designer, I really recommend that you check out Canva. You can literally search for logos on there and amend them to suit your business. So you can change the colors. There are a few basic ones there. Give it a bash, see how it works for you. So let's go ahead and save that and close this up. Okay, so perhaps these colors on this website that were pre-selected just don't quite work for you. Um, it's completely okay. And with the multi-site service, you can amend the colors by clicking this paint bucket over here. The beauty of multi-site is no coding is required. You don't need to know how to build a website. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to know anything of the sorts. You literally can just change things by a click of a button. We have some pre-selected colors over here for you. We are adding more every single day. If none of these work for you, let us know and we can get adding some different colors. But I'm going to go ahead and select this one and see. Let's try that one. That one looks awesome. I'm happy with that. Very clean, very neat. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save that. Looks awesome. And then let's go ahead and update this section over here. Okay, so again, the images that I have pre-selected for you, we have pre-selected for you, they are completely royalty free. They're free to use, no licenses needed. But perhaps that image just doesn't work for you, you can go ahead and say update image here and click search photo library and search from hundreds of photos. It's literally pre-search Cupcake shop for me, and there are other different ones here that are making me really hungry. And I'm going to go ahead and select that one there because that looks really awesome. And I'm going to go ahead and select the photo and save the image selection, and let's see how that looks. Wow, that looks really great, really tasty. And we're going to go ahead. If that content that's written over there does not work for you, you can go ahead and amend it here and push save and link your button. It says order online. Perhaps you don't take online orders. You can change that, get prices, and say choose link. So for the buttons, you can link to various places. You can link it to another website or perhaps an action, click to call or click to email. Another great option that it offers is you can upload a PDF file. So perhaps you want to upload your menu there, a PDF file of your different cupcake options, the costs, the flavors. You can go ahead and upload that. So when people click on the link, it will go directly to your PDF file. So we're going to go ahead and confirm that and make sure everything's saved and close it up. That looks really great. Again, you can change this image, upload one from your computer, or you can choose a pre-selected one from the hundreds of images that are available to use, completely safe to use. Okay. On to the next section. Again, this can be amended. Perhaps that text just does not work for you. You want something else. You want to put a little bit more details, more personalized information about your business. Go ahead and do so here and click save. Let's close it up. Okay, we've got a great about us section. Also, all amendable. Image can be changed, but I really like that one, so I am going to leave that one there. Okay, so that's our one page website. Looks really awesome. One super important thing to touch base on is I'm getting a lot of queries. Can I link my custom domain? Question answer to that is you can absolutely link your custom domain. So I'm going to go ahead and say stop editing. Our website looks really great and beautiful, and I'm going to head to the site dashboard to show you where you can do that. You can literally link your custom domain, connect it over here. If you are struggling, we do have some tutorial videos on YouTube. We do have a post, some blog posts showing you how to do that. But if you really can't figure it out, you can add multi-sites as a user and we will do it for you. We will literally connect your domain for you, make it super easy for you to get your website up and running. So I hope you'll give the Mighty Sites platform a bash. Let us know how it works for you. Really wish you mighty success for your cupcake shop.